Hello everyone, welcome to LeadWave. In the last video, we have seen how to use call responder. The next module, which I'm going to explain you in this video, is follow-up. There are a lot of cases wherein businesses who provide product and services, they interact with customer who says he will take some time to think whether he is interested in buying your services or product. So there are the chances wherein he might say, please remind me next week or next month. In that case, most of the people keeping these details on Excel sheet or a Google sheet. So in the lead waves, we can create a follow-up message and system will automatically send message to these people on the time and date we have decided while creating the follow-up. How this is going to work? In the left side main menu, click on follow-up. Simply click on create follower. Here also there is a create visit. You have to have a established connection with the leader application. Just create a create follower, give any name, priority and categories. These are not mandatory. You can set it as per your requirement. Select the device which you want to use to send them a reminder. Select the number of your customer who you want to send message to. In that case, 726 I want to send message to this number on specific day and time. Okay. I will write my name here. Or you can select the contact list. This will display all the contact list you have uploaded in LeadWave. Either you can select text messages or use template. I'll just simply write text. You can add name also. So as for a testing purpose, I'll simply write a message. This is with reference to our discussion on buying a lead wave application. This is her follow-up message. Please let me know if you have decided on this. Okay? Question mark. I'll close the sentence. Now I can specify the date and pen here. Okay. Suppose if I want to send this on 7th day after tomorrow and at 10 a.m. in the morning, so I can select the time and click on follow. There is a provision where you can click on advanced options and make it a recurring message. So if there are any cases which requires constant follow up with that customer, then you can select this option, make this a recurring follower, and you can select the pattern wherein it says daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. Okay. So this is how you are going to create a follow up. Now I won't be able to, I'll just disable this. Okay. So this is how you are going to create a follow up. I hope you understood and I will see you in the next video.